Design hack, I'm going to show you how to image trace. So you can use image trace when you are in the Adobe Illustrator platform. And what image tracing does, it allows you to take an image and use it to tweak it as your own. So I'm going to walk you all through that. So what you want to do is just start with a plain artboard. Here's mine. And I'm going to trace my image. So I'm going to go to File and Place. And for my image, I'm just going to use this rose. So we're going to click on the rose and place it. So it has preloaded the rose for us, and we're just going to place where we want it. I'm just going to plop it right here, about in the middle of the artboard. So as you can see, it's a nice rose, but I don't like the colors, and I don't like the gray background around it. So what I'm going to do is click it. We're going to go to the right hand properties panel and press image trace, and we're going to do 6 colors because it has 4 colors. We have the 2 different reds, the green and the gray, but we're going to do 6 colors because that is the most highest number after 4. So once it does that, it'll render it for us, and then we're going to stay on the right hand in this properties panel and press expand. So what this does is it traces our image for us. And then what we want to do is press ungroup right over here in the bottom right hand corner of the properties panel. So we're going to press ungroup. And when you ungroup it, it allows you to go in and manually change anything within your image. So I got rid of the gray background. So I'm going to zoom into my artboard and show you the benefits of image tracing. We have this rose here, but I want to change the colors. So I can go in and manually change the colors. I like pink, so we're going to go with a nice fun pink and change the different colors of the flower. And with image tracing, you can make things as big or as small as you want it. And I'll teach you how to do that. So what you want to do is click and drag over the entire image, and you're going to come over here to your properties panel on the right and press group. Now in doing this, this allows you to make the image as small as you want or as big as you want. And that is how you image trace on Adobe Illustrator.